だからこうやって一生懸命起こしてたんじゃないですか。だからこうやって一生懸命起こしてたんじゃないですか。
Da kara at the start of a sentence is an expression meaning like I said or I told you already. Koyate means in this way. Ishokenmei is a four-character compound meaning to do something with utmost effort or desperately. Okosu, to wake someone up. And okoshiteta was waking you up. Janai here is an expression meaning isn't it? And undes adds the explanatory field to the answer. Okoshitetan janai desu ka? I was waking you up, wasn't I? Like I said, in this way I was desperately waking you up, wasn't I?
だからこうやって一生懸命起こしてたんじゃないですか。殿下が寝坊している間に魔界はえらいことになっちゃってますよ。殿下が寝坊している間に魔界はえらいことになっちゃってますよ。
Nebo means oversleeping. Nebo suru, to oversleep. And nebo shiteru, to be oversleeping. Aidani means while. Nebo shiteru aidani, while oversleeping. Denka, your highness. Denka ga nebo shiteru aidani, while you are oversleeping. Makai is the demon world. Ma means demon and kai world. Erai means awful, terrible. Koto ni nateru indicates a decided state that was made some time ago and the news is no longer new to the speaker. Erai koto ni nateru, to be in big trouble. Erai koto ni nachatemasu adds a feeling of regret to the tone. And yo adds emphasis to the sentence, similar to an exclamation mark. Makai wa erai koto ni nachatemasu yo, the demon world got in big trouble. While you were oversleeping, the demon world got in big trouble.
殿下が寝坊している間に魔界はえらいことになっちゃってますよ。魔王の座を他の悪魔に奪われても私は知りませんからね。魔王の座を他の悪魔に奪われても私は知りませんからね。
Mao is Satan, the devil. Ma means demon and O is king. Literally king of the demons. Za is seat or status. Mao no za, the devil's seat. Hoka means other. Akuma is the actual word for demon. Hoka no akuma, other demons. Ubau means to steal. Ubawareru, be stolen, be taken away. Ubawarete mo, even if it's stolen. Hoka no akuma ni ubawarete mo, even if it's stolen by other demons. Mao no za o hoka no akuma ni ubawarete mo, even if devil's seat is stolen by other demons. Atashi is a feminine way to say I or me. Shiru means to know. And shirimasen is the polite way to say I don't know. In this context, shirimasen means to not be concerned with or to not be one's responsibility. Kara here makes the sentence a warning. And ne is used as a request for confirmation that he understood the warning, like, okay? Atashi wa shirimasen kara ne? It's not my responsibility, okay? Even if the devil's seat is stolen by other demons, it's not my responsibility, okay?
魔王の座を他の悪魔に奪われても私は知りませんからね。
なんだと？魔界の次期後継者たる俺様を差し置いて魔王の座を奪うだと？なんだと？魔界の次期後継者たる俺様を差し置いて。
なんだと is an expression meaning what did you say to me? Jiki means next term or next period. Kokeisha is successor. Jiki Kokeisha, next successor. Makai, demon world. Makai no Jiki Kokeisha, next successor of the demon world. Taru means those who are, and it's often used in relation to qualifications and requirements for a position. Ore-sama, masculine, self-important way to say I or me. Jiki Kokeisha Taru Ore-sama, me, who is the next successor of the demon world. Sashioku means to leave as is or to disregard. Makai no Jiki Kokeisha Taru Ore-sama wo Sashioku, to disregard me, who is the next successor of the demon world.
魔王の座を奪うだと？
Dato in this case is used as a way to quote her, indicating that he finds whatever was said surprising or unbelievable. Mao, the devil. Za, seat. Mao no za, the devil's seat. Ubau, to steal. Mao no za o ubau, to steal the devil's seat. Mao no za o ubau dato, you are saying they will steal the devil's seat? What did you just say? They will disregard me, who is the next successor of the demon world, and steal the devil's seat?
なんだと？魔界の次期後継者たる俺様を差し置いて魔王の座を奪うだと？良い度胸だ。その者どもを片っ端から皆殺しにしてくれるわ。良い度胸だ。その者どもを片っ端から皆殺しにしてくれるわ。
Yoi dokyo is an expression meaning you have some nerve. Yoi dokyo da, they have some nerve. Monodomo is a disrespectful way to say people. Mono is a person and domo added makes it plural, people, but implies that the speaker is of higher status than those referred to. Sono means that or those. Sono monodomo, those people. Katapashi kara means everything from A to Z, or one after another. Minagoroshi is annihilation or massacre. Mina means everyone, and koroshi is killing. Ni suru adds the meaning of to decide on. Minagoroshi ni suru, kill everyone. Normally, kureru means to receive something, but it can also be used for to give something, showing the feeling that the receiver is unworthy of consideration or respect. Minagoroshi ni shite kureru wa, I will kill you all. Sono monodomo o katapashi kara minagoroshi ni shite kureru wa, I will kill them all, one after another. They have some nerve. I will kill them all, one after another.
良い度胸だ。その者どもを片っ端から皆殺しにしてくれるわ。
はい、殿下。この絵と名もお供させていただきます。はい、殿下。この絵と名もお供させていただきます。
Hi, yes. Denka, your highness. Hi, Denka. Yes, your highness. Etona is her name, Etna. Kono means this. Kono Etona is literally this Etna. It's the anime manga way of speaking for self-important characters by using kono and their own name. Mo means too or as well. Kono Etona mo, I, Etna, as well. Otomo is a companion. Otomo suru, to accompany. Sasete itadaku is a humble way to say to have the privilege of doing something. Otomo sasete itadakimasu, will have the privilege of accompanying you. I, Etna, will have the privilege of accompanying you.
はい、殿下。この絵と名もお供させていただきます。
エトナが仲間になった。
Etona, Etna. Nakama is someone with whom one works together toward the same thing or goal, a companion. This word is used a lot in One Piece. Naru means to become, and natta, became. Nakama ni natta, became a companion. Etna became a companion.
第1話魔界のプリンス。第1話魔界のプリンス。
Daiichi means first, and wa is a counter for stories, episodes of TV series, and so on. Daiichi wa, the first episode. Makai, demon world. Prinsu is prince. Makai no Prinsu, the prince of the demon world. Episode 1, the prince of the demon world.
第1話魔界のプリンス。
Now let's watch the entire scene and see how much you can understand.
だからこうやって一生懸命起こしてたんじゃないですか。殿下が寝坊している間に魔界はえらいことになっちゃってますよ。 魔王の座を他の悪魔に奪われても私は知りませんからね。
なんだと？魔界の次期後継者たる俺様を差し置いて魔王の座を奪うだと？良い度胸だ。その者どもを片っ端から皆殺しにしてくれるわ。
はい殿下、このエトナもお供させていただきます。
第1話、魔界のプリンス。